Hi everybody, this is the Math 20-1 Radicals and Absolute Values review. This is question 42A. Question wants us to solve these equations here graphically. And actually that makes perfect sense because when you do this on an exam, the expectation is if you got two sets of absolute values in there that you would do this graphically. So here we go. Let's go to our calculator here. Now I've only got my phone here, so but I got an app. So I'll just zoom in a little bit here. So what I'm going to do here to get the absolute value of x plus 4 minus the absolute value of 2x, first of all, I will go into Math, over to the Num menu, get the absolute value of x plus 4, then I make sure I get out of it, okay, get out of the absolute value, and I will subtract the absolute value, so go back into Math, Num, 2x, enter, there's my equation. Now the equation here is set equal to 0, so what I'll do now is I'll just graph this. Okay, there you go. Now, I can see fairly easily one root here, but I can't quite see the other. So I'm going to just sketch this really quick. It looks something like this. It comes up, changes angles, goes up, and then comes back down. So now I will get equations here. I will go in and to my trace menu. Whoops, look for the intersection. I'm sorry, not intersection. I'm looking for the zeros of the function. So I will move, I'm going to grab this 1, 0 here. I'm going to move to the left of it, press enter. Move to the right of it, press enter. Now as long as that x-intercept is in between those two lines there, press enter. It's going to tell me that it's going to find the 0. So negative 1.33 repeating. Now, watch what I can do here. I can quit out of that graph. If I press X, calculator remembers what that is, and so I can convert that to a fraction now. Negative 4/3. So the first answer here is negative 4/3. Now I'll go back to my graph. I'm going to find that other one, the one that's over here. So second trace, down to not intersect, I did it again. It's a 0 I'm looking for. So I move my cursor over and I'll move it to the right, to the left first of that 0. Then I'll move my cursor to the right to make sure that that x-intercept is in between. Press enter to get past the guess, and it tells me that the answer is 4. So my two answers here are negative 4/3 and 4.